Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brii if you are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this real soft, subtle look. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I know y'all about to sit and watch this whole video, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, be sure to look out for weekly content from me. So today I'm going to be starting with my eyes. I am going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Just over my lids. And then I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend that out. Today I'll be using that Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Palette from Colourpop. And I'm going to use West Side, Work It, and Melody. So I'm going to use the Work It, that orange, as a transition color. And I'm going to place that on the outside of my lid, so the corner. I'm going to take Melody and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my inner corner. Now I'm taking a clean brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend that darker shade into that warmer shade, just to give it some dimension. Next, I'm taking Too Faced Better Than Sex, the liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a thin line above my lash line. Next, I'm taking the House of Lashes Iconic Light. Next is my face. So I am using this facial spray from Mario Badescu. And I'm just hydrate my face a little bit. Next, I'm using NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. This works for me. May not work for everybody, but it works for me. Gotta make sure my skin isn't quenched. Look at that, perched, baby. Today I'm using NARS, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe. They say you need a really good primer with this, so let's see how we're matching up here. Okay. Ooh, my color is coming back. I'm so happy. I just need to go sit in the sun a little bit more and then I'll be like nice and golden. And then I'm going to take the butt of this beauty blender and just smooth my face out a little bit. Gotta get in those hard to reach places. Next, I'm taking Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 Caramel. And I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm also going to set around my mouth and my nose and my other highlight regions. I'm feeling my puffs. My puffs look good. They're nice and full. Look at that. I'm back, baby. Alright, I'm gonna take that damp beauty blender from earlier and I'm gonna go ahead and blend all that concealer out. Alright, I'm gonna do something real weird today and I'm gonna go ahead and set all those other regions except for under my eyes because it's not giving me the coverage that I'm looking for. So I might put another second, or I might put a second concealer on top of that. So I'm using the Revolution Luxury Banana Baking Powder. And I'm just gonna press that under my eyes. Oh, not under my eyes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna press this everywhere else. After I set those regions, I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. And I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal one more time under my eyes just so I can get the coverage that I'm looking for. I want it to be a little bit lighter and I want some more coverage in my dark areas. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. All right, so after I went ahead and set those under eyes with the lighter powder, I did use that Revolution powder one last time. So now I'm gonna contour. I'm taking NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Cappuccino. I might have to snatch my face. My forehead looks big. I feel like when my hair is pulled back, I want like a skinnier face. I don't know why, but I just feel like I need to like snatch my face a little bit. I gotta snatch. Ooh, my earring's in the way. If y'all noticed in my videos, I always wear big hoops, but I wear big hoops and big earrings because I have a big head. Well, I think I have a big head, but I got a big head, and so they negate the attention away from like the size of my head. It's the size of my hoops. It just makes my head look smaller. I like liquids and creams around my forehead just because I can control where they're moving. Like with powder, man, it's a hit or miss with powder, but a good liquid, yes girl, I know exactly where it's going. Ooh, my baby hair is over. It's crazy. Boom. And then let me get into my corner. This is the hard part because you have to move it up to your eyebrows. Alright, now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in medium to tan. I'm going to take this color right here, the shade, and I'm going to go back over that contour that I just did. That's cute. Next, I'm using Tarte's blush in Party. For my highlight, I am using Anastasia's Beverly Hills, the NICOLE GUIERRO palette. Ooh, chop. And I'm gonna use the shade. I'm gonna go in with Glow Getter. Oh. To finish off my face, I'm gonna set it with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder in the shade Medium. I'm just smoothing out my face a little, make it look a little more even. I almost forgot to set my under eyes. I gotta do my under eyes. I'm gonna take that orange that I used earlier in the Sweet Talk palette, the Work It shade, and I'm gonna line my under eye. And then I'm gonna go back over the outer crease, well, the outer side of that under eye with West Side. I'm gonna take that same highlighter that I used before to do my face. Real gentle, y'all saw what happened. And I'm gonna get the corners of my eye. Like that. And then I'm gonna do my lower lash line. Alright, I'm gonna set my face with NYX Bear With Me, the Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Ooh. I'm using NYX lip liner and I'm going in with Urban Cafe. Next, I'm going in with the Lip Lingerie from NYX in After Hours. And then towards the center, I'm going to go ahead with Kylie Cosmetics, their matte lipstick. This is the shade Dolce. And then right in the center, I'm going over that with the NYX Lip Lingerie in Corset. And then I am using the Colourpop, and this is hanging on by a thread, Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in On Board. I think I like it. I do. It's growing on me. It's growing on me.